glad I wasn't standing over there. I don't know if that arcing is, but we can fix that later. Y'all gonna find out shortly. If it blows up, it'll make for some good content, I guess. What's up, guys? Welcome to AC Designs and Garage. Got a little treat for you today. I'm gonna try to start up my engine in my 1972 C10. We're actually gonna take this engine out to put in patches, the 1965 C10 we're building. Because the 72, I've done a little sheet metal work and stuff on it, but it's still a long ways to go. So we're just gonna pull this 350 out, but it's been sitting in here for probably 8 years. I've had the truck for 3 or 4 years and it's never been started. I just want to make sure it's not going to knock smoke, blow up slinger rods outside, whatever like that. So I'm going to get it spin around and show you what you work with, and we're going to try to get her fired up today, hopefully. Alrighty guys, here's what we're going to fire up today. This is my 1972 C10. It's got a aftermarket crate 350 in it, turbo 350, but as you can see how nasty it is. I've never heard this engine run. I don't know whether it has a cam or stock or whatever, but we're gonna fire this engine up and just make sure, like I said, it don't rod knock or smoke or run rough, because we're gonna try to put it in the 65 C10. All I'm gonna do is repaint it and throw a cam and stuff in it, but we're gonna get this thing all blowed off. And I'm guessing it's probably been around 8 or 9 years since this motor's ran. I know this is another will it run. I don't, truthfully on this one, I don't know if it'll run. I really hope it does. And it should. It looks good. I checked the oil. Like I said, this thing hadn't been ran in a long time, and the oil don't look too bad in it. Focus. I already checked the transmission fluid, so got all that done. All thing we got to do when you fire them up without a radiator and run it for a little bit is we need to pull the water pump belt off, because it gets no lubrication. It'll seize the bearings up in it. But we're not going to run it for a long time. Just want to do a test run. But y'all gonna find out shortly. If it blows up, it'll make for some good content, I guess. Got some little rat evidence on here somewhere. They must have been hanging out. Go ahead and get this fuel line off right here. We're gonna get our one where we can hook it up into the bucket. Might be a little tough to get off. Might have break them loose with the pliers. Hard. They're tough. Yeah. There we go. Slide our temporary hose. We'll steal this clamp. Now we can just stick this fuel line down in my little gallon gas can. I think this is going to be long enough. I'll just run that down my gas can. That'll be good right there. Alright, now time to take the water pump belt off. Man, somebody now put them MM things on here. I do not like metric. Oh well. We get a metric wrench. I found my metric set of wrenches here. See, this one said, I think it's got, yeah, see, this is a metric set here. I got my metric set here. Yeah. You guys know what we're going to do with this metric bolt, right? This thing's going in the trash. This is American iron here, so we don't have metric on here. Let's see, what's the chances? Hey, look at there. Now that there ain't one of them MMs. Good old Imperial 9/16. There we go. Man, that belt ain't. I probably just should have just cut that belt anyways. I may go ahead and take the power steering belt and everything off. I don't really need it. Yeah, we might do that. I think I'm gonna pull that power steering belt off too. It's got fluid and stuff in it, but these belts are shot. Let's see, my adjuster. Loosen it up a little bit. I'll just put them in patches so I know what size they are. Let's see, I got that adjuster. Well, that adjuster on a power steering pump is being annoying, so it's rotten. I'm gonna cut it. I ain't cutting with that butter cutter, I can tell you that. Easy cut it. About the right size. Alright, should be safe on the water pump and all that good stuff. Ground made. Gonna jack this thing up because I don't know if it's in park or not. Don't want her ghost riding across the front yard. Them under the truck arms. Act like I'm almost confident this thing's gonna crank. By putting these under it, it's gotta crank. Yeah. That'll work like a top. Now she takes off, she'll just spin tires. Oh, one wheel wonder there, boy. I got them casings off the ground. Stole that from the sleeper dude. Go check his channel out. Ain't got to worry about nothing turning, getting in the way. Only thing that turns the crank. Fuel line hooked up. We're gonna put it down in a jug down here. Battery. We just went ahead and ground to the case, transmission case. We're gonna run our hot wire over to our starter. Then all we got left to do is hook up our remote start to bump it over. I think I'm gonna pull the hot wire first off of the distributor and just give it a bump. Maybe turn it over a couple times before we start lighting the fires, and make sure we ain't got fuel spraying everywhere. I don't know, this thing could be clogged up. We'll see. So we'll give it once more over, rear tires off the ground in case it's in drive, which I don't think it is, but just to be safe. And Daddy's filling up the gas jug, so we're about ready.
See if it's got enough fire to backfire.
Probably wouldn't hurt to have something. Oh, he's got it wired shut and stuff.
Get it wired open, wide open. I poured gas in it too.
Okay. Well, oh, there's getting no pressure now. Come up to it.
Probably ain't got no far.
Alright, had to make a quick trip to O'Reilly's. Coil was bad on that one, so we're gonna give her a start again, see if we can get her fired up. All right, we're gonna bump it over right now without the coil hooked up, just build up some oil pressure. And clear, 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 clear. I guess I need to hook this up. Alright, round two, we forgot to hook the ground wire up. Alright, I guess put a little petrol in there. Maybe third time's the charm, fourth time, whatever we're on. She's gonna fire. Alright, we're good to go, ready to go. Okay, here we go.
I seen firefly right there somewhere.
The little jump plug wire's arcing off.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try that. I hear it arcing somewhere.
Right here.
Let's try it again.
It's kind of wash right in there.
Jumping across.
It's what the spark is running on outside the wire.
Alright, firing the hole number 14. Take 1200. Fire hole. I think it worked. I don't know what that arcing is, but we can fix that later. Yeah, fuel pump ain't working. That should be enough to blow up. I'm standing back. Yeah. She arcing. I think it might have a little cam in it.
It's got a little cam in it.
That's pretty cool, guys. I am super impressed with this motor. It sounds pretty good. I think we got a little bump stick in it, so that's gonna be cool. That's one less thing I got to buy. We're having problems with it arcing off this HEI. I'm not running this HEI. I'm just trying to get it fired up right now. I'm going to run a regular standard distributor, and I'm going to hide my coil somewhere. We're going to clean it up all hot rod style, but super excited now. Me and Dad's been working on this thing for a few hours and finding troubles after trouble. I think we got it, so we're going to try to fix this arcing problem on the top, and that's a sigh of relief buying something that you've never heard run before. No knocking, no smoke. Man, it just fired right up. The lifter's not making any racket. Sound like it's got a cam. I'm excited about that. We'll see. May have to get a little bigger one. I don't know. As for the block, what do you guys think? I'm thinking about going back with it orange again. I'm gonna base clear it instead of using this old cheap enamel junk so we can make it look good. Red or orange, leave it in the comment. We're gonna finish getting a few more things up and fire this monkey back up again. All right, let's hook that red wire back up. Now we'll see if it throws a lightning bolt over here and hits me off that tack wire.
That's right there's what it is. They stripped that wire right there when it pushed it down in that thing.
This is a brand new coil and it's already got a short in it. Piece of junk. Everything hooked up?
I think.
Yeah, go ahead and keep smoking that. Glad I wasn't standing over there. Nah, we're good. think that's it. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed that video. Me and Dad firing up this 350 into 72 C10. Like I said, it's going into 65 C10 of mine patches. Sounds like it's got a little cam, but I think I'm going to put just a little bit bigger one in it. But I had a super fun time with Dad out here for a couple hours firing it up. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And remember, be kind to one another. Jesus loves you, so do we. God bless. We go.